A very good morning to one and all students. Welcome to SS class. I hope all are keeping fine at home, isn't it? Be safe and be healthy at home. Students, today let's study civics. You know that already we studied what is civics. Civics is the study of a citizenship, their responsibilities, their rights, etc. Today, the first chapter let us study, that is chapter 24, Constitution, Laws and Dissents. Constitution, Laws and Dissents. Let me say an example to understand the way Constitution. Why we need Constitution? Suppose you are coming to the school, on the way you see some traffic jam because the signal suddenly off. The signal suddenly goes off. That time what would happen? People are confusing. Cars take place. Here, there, they are moving. Or another example, we can see that in our school assembly, afterwards, say assembly disperse without any information, say that assembly disperse, all students here and there running. Or you know that informing before the assembly, after you must go according to the class wise, you would wait for that. You know, first class students, second class students, then only next class should move. Yes or no? And the signals are there. According to the signals, the route is smooth running, means it is very easy for the vehicles to move. So the same way we can see in the society. In a society, there are a lot of people. In a country, different various communities are there. Together we are living. There must be a guideline for efficient, smooth running way. We have to go. There must be some kind of rules. These rules we are written in a constitution. Just take your textbook. We will go through it. Page number 170, chapter 27, Constitution, Laws and Dissents. The first paragraph it is written, a rule is necessary to guide the people. A rule is an established principle, a standard or guide for action. So, standard or guide for the action. Rules are essential for efficient, proper governance of our country. Efficient, a rule means efficient, proper governance of the country. Now we will see what it is a constitution. A constitution is an important document laying down the fundamental principles of the country. A country should have some guidelines that is written, that is called, that is the constitution. The country is governed by these principles. Laws are also formulated according to them. Thus the constitution is also regarded as the fundamental laws of the law of the country, fundamental law of the country. Our constitution was crafted by the Constituent Assembly, which year you know already, which year that is 1950 on 26th January. Now we will see the importance of the constitution. There are different importance of constitution. First one is that it lays out certain ideals according to the country is to be governed. Ideals. So before understanding the importance of the constitution, let me tell you the words and its meaning. First we go through these words meanings, very easy for you to understand the chapter. So constitution means a book containing rules and regulations governed. Rules and regulations, a book containing on which a country is governed. Constitution. Sovereign means an independent country that governs itself. An independent country that governs itself. You know that before olden days, British people are governing us. We were under the slavery of them. But we are here expecting, or now we are experiencing a sovereign country, an independent country that governs itself. Next one, socialist. Socialist means a country which emphasizes social welfare and equality. Social welfare and equality. Next one, secular, a country which gives its citizens the right to follow and spread the religious belief to their own religion or their own choice. They can propagate their belief. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, whatever there is, they can follow the customs and whatever their religious beliefs they can propagate. Next, republic. A country of which the head of the country is elected. The people are elected. That is a republic. Now, dissent means the people who do not agree with certain rules or regulations. There are some rules, but it is not welfare of the people. People may disagree with that. That is called dissents. So, constitution, that is a book containing rules and regulations of the country. Laws means it is the smooth running of the society. Dissent means people who do not agree with certain rules or regulations. Now once again, let's go through the importance of the constitution. First we have seen that is, it has given, firstly it has given some importance. The certain ideals according to which the country is to be governed. For example, the preamble to the constitution of the India clearly mentions some ideals. Preamble of the constitution means introduction of the constitution. The book written the laws and regulations, the first page introduction contains some ideals. Which are the ideals? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and lays emphasis on justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. So all these things means already you came to know these ideals are sacred for the people because they struggled for them. Why it is sacred for the people? Because they sacrificed their lives for these ideals and their hard work for to get it. Second point is telling that is the constitution defines the country's political system. Whether it should be a monarchy or a democracy. Monarchy means a queen or king is governing the country. Democracy means the leaders are selecting by the people. The people can select the leaders. In a democracy, the people choose their leaders but later can misuse their status or power. The second point written in the constitution, that is political system, that is the political leaders, we are selecting the leaders, they may misuse the power. There also safeguards are there. The constitution often lays down rules that guards against the misuse of the power by the political leaders. The third point is that thirdly, the democracy in our country, constitution provides fundamental rights to the people which serves them not only from tyranny of the state but also from the tyranny of the majority against the minority. Tyranny means it is some kind of cruel actions. Otherwise we can say that is there is a small group possess absolute power over the minority people. This way comes also, there are some safeguards in our constitution. The fourth point is that another important power of the constitution in democracy is to the functions and process of a different organs of the government, so that there is least chance to clash. So you know that what are the different organs of the government, that is executive, legislative, judiciary, all these organs of the government, if there is also some kind of clash take place, safeguards that rules are written in the constitution. So overall, let's see a quick revision. That is, we have seen, first of all, we need some guidelines to guide the smooth running of the society. That is, a written constitution is there, that is our constitution. Then constitution given importance for the ideals, the political system, and some group, minority group, they are having some kind of problems. There is also safeguards, and we have seen the government organizations, organism means there is a executive, legislative and judiciary system. There also some kind of power misusing, some safeguards are given in the constitution. Other we will continue with the next class.